Hi friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show a demo on merge and union transformations in SSIS. This is very common and basic interview questions for any SSIS developer position in any company. So both are doing the same function, almost same functionality, but little bit difference. Two differences are there mainly observed. They are used to combine the data from different sources, either it is Excel, CSV, text, or OLEDB. But they throw just one single output in to your destination or destination tables. So merge and union all. So we want to know the difference by seeing the example practically in the demo. I have this is a tab delimited text file which is contain 10 rows. Uh, ID first name and last name is are the columns. So this is my CSV file. It is also the same structure, but 8 records are there. Uh, ID first name and last name, and this is my OLEDB source person table, which is having just 3 records: ID first name and last name. So I want to combine all this data into the by using merge and union. How to do it? So let's jump into the demo. This is my package. I already configure all these 3 sources. Now I want to do first. I am showing the merge operation. So if you go to merge, when you connect directly merge, it is asking input 1 and input 2. What is the other? The input merge input and input merge to output have short key positions assigned them to their columns incorrectly. So you want to merge the data from any source. First you have to sort that source by using sort transformation. First you have to sort the data, and after that you have to merge. So first you have to take that sort. So here what is the condition? Merge allows sorted data, and merge allows only data from the two sources. Now I am sorting the data. Whenever you click the sort transformation enter, it will ask you have to sort based on the ID column as per the structure of the data. So I am going to be sort based on the ID. ID by default it is showing the ascending order. ID ascending order. This is also ID ascending order. Now I am doing the merge. I am dragging the merge into the control pane and selecting the data. See here, when you click the drop down list, it is asking merge input 1 or 2. So it allows only data from the two sources, not more than 2. So by this we are clear input 1. Either you want to take this source, text source or OLEDB. Only one source, only two sources are allowed. We already configure CSV. So I am taking the test one into the merge column. When you double click, sort key should not match. If you click the drop down list, you will select ID column and OK. Then the error will gone. So sorting is done. Now we want to dump these two data. So this is 10 rows, this is 8 rows. Total 18 rows will dump into the. I want to dump into the OLEDB destination. For that, I created one table. Merge output. Right now, the table is empty. There is no data. After running the package, total 18 rows will dump into this table. Configure, double click, select the table, person underscore TBL, mappings, everything is mapped. OK. No problem. Just I am running the package now. It is showing some warning message. So, as I mentioned earlier, 8 rows from the CSV, 10 rows from the text file. First, these two sources are sorted, and then both are combined into the merge transformation. From then, it will load it to the OLEDB destination table. Now, when we check the merge output, you will get 18 records. Sorry. I'm taking wrong. Instead of merge output, I'm taking the. Yeah. Stop the package. Yeah. If you run the package, now you will get perfectly. 18 rows. So these are 18 rows. So everything is sorted in the merge operation. So this is all about the merge. Now we will show the union all. I'm deleting all these things. So earlier we have to dump the output into the OLEDB destination table. Now I am creating the union output one folder where I have to dump the all three sources data into the text document. Union all. For union all, there is no need to sort the data. You have to directly uh, sources. and it allows more than two sources. These are the two differences, main differences. Merge allows only sorted data, and union all no need to sort the data from the sources. Merge allows data from the two sources only, but union all allows more than two sources. These are the two common and basic differences between the merge and union all. So I am showing here union all transformation. So if you see the YLDB destination earlier, it is I wrongly put the table performance code. Now it is 21 here. 21, 21 from YLDB source, 10 from text source, 31, and 31 CSV 8. 31 plus 8, 39 source will dump into the union output. So my destination comes to flat file destination. So we are combining the data from all three sources and push the data into the flat file destination. And configure now delimited. My data should be delimited. Browse. When I click the browse, union output is my destination folder, which is text document. Columns here. Currently there is no data here. Click the data here. You have to match the sorted key. Union all input its ID, and based on that you have to sort those other two sources are ID. So now everything is correct. If you don't, if you keep on the ignore column like this, you will get without ID the data will dump to the output column. So everything is perfect. Now I am running the package. Again I am showing there is no data in the union output. 0 KB. $21 from OLEDP source, 10 from text source, 8 from total 39 rows. 39 rows will move to union output. Earlier it is 0 KB, now it is 1 KB. So this is how you have to use the merge and union transformation. Hope you understand the video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.